Hello, my name is Ruth Carter and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the week. Well, today's question isn't really a question, but I wanted to respond to a phrase someone was searching for and they ended up on my site. So the person searched for employee won't sign social media policy. That's interesting. So before I went to law school, I worked for a regular company, and when there were policy updates, they would just be circulated around the office with a signature sheet, and we would just read it and sign it, and you complied with whatever the new rule was. So what do you do if there's a situation where your employee won't sign a policy, in particular a social media policy? The first thing I would ask is, are you sure your social media policy is legal? Did you check your proposed policy against the latest report from the National Labor Relations Board? Because that is a federal law that protects employees' ability to talk amongst themselves about things like wages and work conditions, what are called concerted protected activities, including online. So there are a lot of things employees can say about the employer on the internet that is completely legal. So you want to make sure that your policy is valid before you ask your employees to sign it. Now let's say you do have a valid policy and one of your employees just doesn't want to sign it. Well, what happens if an employee didn't want to sign the dress code policy or the attendance policy? If being employed is contingent on obeying the rules, you would have to decide at that point if this person maybe shouldn't work there anymore if they don't want to comply with the policy, or if you want to revise their employment contract to account for this policy. That's kind of a complicated situation. I've never seen a situation where somebody didn't actually sign when they realized their job was on the line, but if an employee is good enough that you will let that slide, that would be your call. But I would definitely consult an attorney and make sure that everybody understands the situation before proceeding. So I hope this has been helpful for you. If you have a question that you'd like me to field in an upcoming video, feel free to leave it below as a comment or shoot me an email. Please subscribe to the channel. And with that, I will catch up with you later. Take care.